OKRs are all about prioritization, and in Fitbots, ordering your OKRs based on priority is a breeze. Step 1. Find your team and locate the toolbar option called OKRs menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 2. In the drop-down menu, select the option Reorder OKRs by priority. This will initiate the OKR reordering process. Step 3. Choose whether you want to reorder objectives or key results, KRs, based on your needs and preferences. Step 4. In objective reorder mode, you have the flexibility to place an objective anywhere within the order of priority. Simply drag and drop the objectives to rearrange them as desired. Once you are satisfied with the new order of priority for your OKRs, click on Save and Exit. Your changes will be saved smoother. Experience the convenience of Fitbots as you tailor your dashboard to align perfectly with your priorities. It's all about making your OKR journey even smoother. Click on Save and Exit. Your changes will be saved. That's all there is to it. With Fitbots, you have the power to easily and visually reorder your OKRs according to your or your team's priority, helping your team towards achieving remarkable results.